Now, I just got home, and I'm going to see if I can hear Sheldon crying when he hears me. I'm trying to figure out where the microphone is. Oh, there it is on the bottom. Okay. Oh, I said I'm going to open the door up. What are you guys crying for? Why are you crying? Look at this. Look at my greeting. Look at my greeting. What's the matter, baby? It's all right. I'm going to let you out. Hang on. Hang on. There we go. There we go. I know. I know. There you go. Are you ready? You want to go out? Who's got to go out? Who's got to go potty? Jada, you got to go potty? Froggy? Oh, okay. Come on, let's go out. Whoa, whoa. What's the matter, Jada? Okay, I'm trying to get to the door.